Welcome back to my channel, Business River Solutions. So this video here is for all you digital marketers and YouTube video creators. So in this video, I am going to go into how to use Canva to create thumbnails to optimize your SEO. So I done a previous video talking about thumbnails and how you can use Canva. So this video just goes into more detail of how to actually use Canva. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notifications when I upload more videos on tips and tricks. All right, please share this video with friends if it's helpful, and leave any comments. That would be much appreciated. And don't forget, down in the description, I have a free video upload checklist, right, to help you with ranking your videos. And if you get that checklist, you're also going to get access to a 10-part video training series. So I've opened up Canva here to create a YouTube thumbnail. So on the left-hand side here, you will see that there are templates that you can use, so you do not have to start from scratch. I recommend use a template that will that you like, and because you're going to change it anyways. Now, the one thing you will notice that is when you look at the templates that some don't have a crown and some have this crown here and it says Pro. So the difference is if it has a crown, it says Pro, you have to have the paid version of Canva in order to use those. But start with the free version, especially if you've never used Canva before. It'll be all you'll need to get started with the free version. So you can pick anything here. So, if I just pick this, okay. So now I've got my template in here, but I can totally change a bunch of this stuff. Okay, so if I want, I can change the background color. So here's this background color. So I can click on that. I could change it to red if I want. Okay, or I can open this up and then have a whole variety of different shades and lightness and darkness and all that. So I could also do gradient stuff as well. All right, so I could do something like that. Okay, so that would be changing the background. I could delete the background if I want. And on the sidebar down here, I go over here to the left, you'll see that there is the design, there's elements that you can choose from. You can put in add text boxes and choose different types of text. Branding, okay, if you had brand templates, but I don't really use that one. You can obviously upload images, videos, audio for creating your templates. You can also record yourself. Okay, so if I click on record, it's going to go here, and then I can record with the camera. I can record with camera and screen, or I can just record screen. And I can draw. Right, I can use this to pick this, and I could draw. I'm a horrible drawer, so you're not going to get anything there. There is this undo button here, so I could just undo that because that's not very good. Projects, okay, so these would be different projects that you might have already created if you had Canva, right? If you didn't, you probably won't have anything in there. There are apps. I've never really used the apps here, but you can check that out. Photos, okay, again, different photos that you can use that Canva has in there, and you can type in and search for something. And it does have audio that you can use. Again, if it's got the crown there, that's for the pro, so you won't be able to use that unless you get the paid version. And of course, videos, which there are the Canva videos, or if you go here, you can also record yourself. And then background, right? So you can use different backgrounds, landscapes, patterns, gradients, abstract, etc., etc. Again, you see the arrow whenever you go into any of these, and you see that the crown that says Pro. That's for the paid version. So if I want to change text, I can just take this. I can either delete it altogether, or I can just highlight it and start typing up something else. All right, Canva. Okay, this box here I can rotate. So I can rotate this if I want. I can all the way around. Right, so you can angle it, whichever you like. Okay, and then I can click off this. If I want to move this, right, I can move it down here if I want, which is kind of cool. If I wanted to delete something, pretty straightforward. Let's just say I could just delete it. There, it's gone. Of course, if I made a mistake, just click the undo button. So this person here, maybe I wanted to move them to the other side, I can do that. Or maybe I want to flip them. So if I go to this flip feature, I can flip them horizontally. Okay, so then now it'll be flipped that way. Or I can flip them vertically. Okay, so that's a kind of neat function, especially if you took a picture of yourself and in the picture you were facing like this person, but you wanted to put yourself over here like this. Okay, so you wouldn't have to go and take another photo of yourself. You can just flip your image. So that's pretty cool. Right. What else? So obviously you can bold your text, make it italicized. You can change the color, right, of the font. All right, so if I don't like that yellow, just highlight it again. I can go in here and pick something there. All right, so that you can see Canva in green. So I changed this color. Maybe I don't like the yellow. All right, so let's go in here. There we go. Make that. That's not looking very appealing, but I'm not worried about that right now. Just showing you different functions and features. So it does have different effects. So for the writing, so you can use like a shadow effect. Now I am using the paid version. Both me and my wife use this. So for us, it actually the paid version. Find it useful to have the extra stuff. So I'm not sure exactly of what all these features you might or might not get because I can't remember what exactly is in the free versus the paid. I know the big one is over here on this side when it comes to all the different elements and designs and stuff, and it tells you exactly what you get. All this stuff might be included in the free version. You can create like a fade, right? There's all these different things that you can do with the text, tectonic stuff. Okay, so again, you can just play around with it. That there might be with that crown. I'm going to guess that you wouldn't have that intensity feature if you were in the free version, but in the paid version. So you can do spacing, obviously, right, to increase your spacing. You can do list format. You can align, right? You just click on this. It will do different alignments for you in your text boxes, so to the center, the left, to the right, however you want to do it. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. You can just, all right, drag it wherever you want. This here, right, is another way to do it, to move it. Okay, so you can do that to move it, or you can just click on the box and move it. All right. So I told you to rotate this magic, right? I don't know if that shows up in the free version. Again, because I have the paid version, it shows it. The other nice thing is that this will just automatically save. I don't have to worry about it. So I go to my home, all right, and I will see. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. This doesn't show the picture yet, but there it is there. So I can go back into it now and I can continue editing it and whatnot. And so once you're happy with your design and you're ready to download it, you need to click on the share button right here. Right, and if you just scroll down, you will see this download feature here. So you click on that. So you see how it says it's an MP4 video is the file type, and that's the suggested. What that means is in this here, I obviously picked some sort of features that were sort of like video format features. So in order to be a thumbnail, you won't be able to have that. Okay. So for a thumbnail, you need to download it in either let's see, a JPEG or a PNG. Okay. The video is not going to work for upload into YouTube. So you want to make sure that if it says that's video, that means you've added something in there, okay, that has some sort of animation or something like that. So you would just click on this, all right, and that's fine. It's still going to work. It's just going to download. It's just whatever animation is. It's not going to be animated. It's not going to have moving features and stuff like that. All right, and then you just click download. Okay, here it says videos, audios, and animations won't play when exported as this file type, right? Which is okay because YouTube won't let you upload that anyways for a thumbnail. Just make sure, oh yeah, title. I forgot to tell you. So up here is where you can change your title. All right, and just click on that. And you can type in whatever you want. right? But this title, you can type in ideally your keyword in that title, because that'll be what it'll download. That'll be the title of the video. So you can just type it in there to match the keywords that you want to rank for. So again, and then once you've done that, go here, download, right? Make sure if it says video, you're just going to switch it to a PNG or JPEG, okay? And then just hit the download button. All right, so yeah, let's go. There we go. It's usually how to do it. And then you just hit this download, and it doesn't take long, right? And then just check your download folder, and then you just obviously upload it into your YouTube video and thumbnail. All right, so hopefully this video was helpful on how to navigate Canva. Well, there you have it, folks. There's a brief tutorial on how to use Canva to make your YouTube thumbnails. All right, so don't forget, there is the free upload checklist if you want to grab that down in the description. And if you do grab that upload checklist, you're going to get access to a 10-part video training series, all right, that will provide you with basically a video a day that will go much more deeper into creating YouTube videos and how you can use them to make money and a bunch of stuff like that. So if you're interested, all right, grab the checklist and you're going to get access to that. All right, so best of luck with using Canva and creating your thumbnails.